Welcome to this Athabasca University tutorial. Today, Student Financial Aid presents The Life Cycle of Funding, a guide for full-time government-funded students. In this video, we will be going over how you can receive funding to attend AU and access government student aid. The requirements for becoming a funded student are: you will need to become an AU student or already be one. You must have applied and received acceptance into a program. You will have to complete the Student Financial Aid course registration plan, then apply for Student Financial Aid. Deadlines are non-negotiable and are located on the AU Financial Aid website. You must apply a minimum of 2 months prior to your intended start date, which includes applying for funding and completing the Student Financial Aid course registration plan. Your academic success is important to us. Before you apply, please take full advantage of the various learner support services available to you. These include counseling services for full-time readiness assessment, help with educational goals, and tips for study skills, access for student with disabilities for appropriate support if necessary. This may include a reduced full-time course load, and advising services to help you navigate the transfer credit process and ensure the courses you select are appropriate for your program of study. Once you are an AU student and accepted into a program, you can begin filling out the SFA course registration plan. The online form will request more information on your status and intended study period as you move through the drop-down menus. Please ensure that all information is correct, especially your course selections and study dates. Upon receiving the Master Student Financial Aid Agreements, or MSFAA, from your funding agency, ensure that you complete your MSFAA and any other required documentation immediately. The MSFAA documents are a multi-year agreement that cover the entire duration you are a full-time funded student. It outlines your responsibilities and the terms and conditions of accepting and repaying your student loans. If you have followed and completed the steps up to this point, you will be registered in your courses by your AU Financial Aid Advisor. If your provincial or territorial agency requires a program information form, AU will submit it directly. In most cases, AU will have access to your student loan approval status directly with the government funding agency. Once everything is in order and you have been approved for your student aid, you can expect to have access to your student aid funding on your semester start date. Generally, tuition fees are requested directly from your student funding amount. You will receive an email by the 10th of the month prior to your intended start date to confirm that your student aid file has been processed and what to expect next. You are now ready to start your semester. Full-time funded students are expected to complete 60% or 9 credits per 4-month semester to remain eligible for full-time financial aid. Academic success and progress are required to maintain funding eligibility. AU is required to monitor all full-time funded students' academic progress and report this to the funding agency. In the event that satisfactory academic progress is not achieved by the contract end date, your continued funding eligibility may be negatively affected. By the end of the semester, ensure that your assignments are submitted, your exams are written, and your courses are complete. If everything in the previous list is completed, then you are eligible to continue to apply for student aid to fund your next study period. Return to the course registration plan and repeat the process. If you intend to continue your studies using government funding, you will need to be mindful of upcoming deadlines so you don't experience a break in your studies. Now that your semester has ended, are you finished your program? Are you taking a break from full-time studies? Or are you self-funding your next semester? Refer to the links in the video description for important information on loan repayment, repayment assistance, and keeping your previous student loans in interest-free status. That is it for this video tutorial. If you have any more questions, please check out our Student Financial Aid website. Thank you for watching.